step, tap, step, tap, side, cross, side, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press, step, press, step. All right, guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're gonna do another different kind of video for you, and we're gonna show you 5 easy dance moves for weddings and parties. And this one is gonna be without a partner, but we're both gonna demonstrate it so you can see how it looked if a girl did it and a guy did it, masculine, feminine, however you wanna say it. And let's get right into it. Okay, step number 1, we're gonna do this step tap. This is pretty basic, anyone can do it, and you've probably seen it or maybe done it yourself before. So you can start on any foot, you can mirror it with me. We're gonna step to the side, tap our foot underneath ourselves, side, and tap. So what you wanna do is keep the legs nice and loose. You don't wanna be stiff, so keep them soft. You can do a little bounce if you want. You can swing the shoulders. Let the arms do whatever they want. There's no right or wrong with the arms. You can bend them to make it feel more comfortable. Let it go. And if you want to learn 6 variations on this step tap, be sure to check out our other video, which I'm going to link up here and in the description below. So check that out because it's the easiest version with a whole bunch of different options for you. Very specific on that one, so go check it out. Okay, so now without further ado, let's bring Chris back in and we'll show you what that looks like. All right, step tap. Here we go. Ready? Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Cool. Okay, step number 2 is called the side and cross. So this is basically just adding in 2 more steps to our step tap. So it's gonna be side, cross, side, tap, side, cross, side, tap. You can cross in the front or in the back, side, tap, side, cross, side, tap. So this one is gonna change the feeling depending on which way you cross in front or cross behind yourself, okay? You wanna let your shoulders move. So if I'm stepping forward, I'm gonna keep it in the same direction as my crossing step, and then it's gonna even out on the side and tap. And then I'm gonna go the other way, side, lead it with the shoulder, side and tap. So now if I go backwards, it's most natural if I twist the opposite way. As I go back, side, tap, and then go the other way, side, cross, side, and tap. Okay, here we go. We go. Side, cross, side, tap, side, cross, side, tap, side, cross, side, tap, side, cross, side, tap. And nothing too specific with the arms here. You can kind of see what we were naturally doing. The arms were swinging. Maybe the elbows are up the whole time. Maybe they're down low, just swinging. Doesn't matter, just try to keep them not stuck to your sides. That's basically it. Okay, let's do step number 3. This one's called our square step or jazz square, something like this. Of course, it's not the jazz dance style though. What we're gonna do is cross in front, then we're gonna step back, then we're gonna step to the side, and then we're gonna step front. And then we're gonna cross again. Cross, back, side, front, cross, step, step, step. All right, let me show you from the other side just because this one might be a more tricky version. So I'm gonna use my left foot to cross over, my right foot back, left foot to the side, right foot forward, and you can repeat that same version over and over. Of course, you can do this on the opposite side. So in that case, I cross my right foot over, left foot back, step to the side, and then left foot forward. Cross, right, back, side, forward. It's just the natural opposite of what we were just doing, and we can see we're kind of making a square shape on the floor, so that's why it's called the square step, okay? So let's bring Chris back in. All right, square step, step number 3, let's do it. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the arms, you can keep them flowing, swing and cross, swing and cross. You can just keep them by your side, move the elbows back and forth, almost like you're jogging or something like this, and you can play with the levels, getting low, low, up, up, or up, low, low. Really no right or wrong answer here. You can see what you like and play around with it. Cool. All right, guys, this next one is called your sways. We've all swayed at a concert before. This one you could do to slow music, to fast music. You can put your hips into it. You can bend the knees, bring it low, however you want to style with it. I would definitely recommend bending the knees a little bit. That way, again, it's not super stiff and awkward like this. So we want to soften the knees. We can add a little bounce, swaying back and forth. We can do a little twist rotation similar to the step tap. We can bring it low and do whatever you want. If you want to do more hips, make it more Latin, that's cool too. Literally whatever you are feeling to the music is going to be great, as long as you're having fun and not too stiff. It's going to look good, it's going to feel good, and it's just something easy without really having to move the feet at all. Let's bring Chris back in and we'll show you that. All right, here we go. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you could see we kind of played with the arms there, played with the levels, maybe saw some hips in there. Again, no right or wrong. This is just options for you. Let's do the next one. All right, guys, so this is just kind of the opposite of the step and tap. It's called the press and step, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap the foot, but instead of just tapping it like this and stepping, tap and step like the first one, just opposite way. Instead of stepping, you're tapping first. We're actually gonna press, and what's called a press is I'm just putting a little bit of weight over that foot and then taking a step and changing my weight. So I am tapping the foot, but I'm just pressing my weight over the toe. That creates a little bit of an illusion, little fake out. This one might be the hardest one, but it's got a cool groove to it, and it can kind of give you the illusion of a little more advanced dancing instead of just stepping and tapping, okay? Let me show you from the other side. So what I do with the foot is I actually kind of keep the heel off the ground. You can for sure put the whole foot on the ground. Sometimes that can get confusing, so what I like to do is just put the toe and then just put a little bit of weight, come back, step, tap, or step and press again, sorry. So we go a little bit of weight, come back, step. A little bit of weight, come back, step. So we go press and step, press and step. So there's a little movement in the upper body, giving it a little extra something. If you have any dance background, you can add a rib cage, little isolation in there, play with that. Again, this is probably the most advanced version of the press or step tap kind of feeling, but give it a shot and play around with it. Let's bring Chris back in. Here we go. We go press, step, press, step, press, step, press, step. You can see we did a little bit different. He did a little tap on the other side, maybe move the feet a little bit. Again, don't stress, this is not right or wrong. These are just different options that we wanted you guys to see, okay? So that is all the 5 easy dance moves. I hope you practice them and have fun with it. Again, check out our other video on solo dance moves, and be sure to check out all of our partner dance stuff, because that's definitely where we specialize the most. So if you want to see how to dance with a partner at a party or a wedding, we have so much content on that. So go to our playlist down below and check all of those out. We have slow dance courses, party dance courses, and then just some random videos up on our YouTube channel as well. So check all of that out. Leave your suggestions down below, because we just might do yours. And hopefully we'll see you guys in the next one.